For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The asteroid known as 441986 is expected to pass by Earth on June 24th. According to NASA, it will be a huge asteroid which the Earth has never witnessed before. NASA, which measured the asteroid, says that the asteroid is somewhere between 140 meters and 310 meters. This means that the asteroid would be 3 times bigger than the 96 meters tall Big Ben and 4 times taller than the 72.5 meters tall Qutb Minar. The space rock is traveling at a staggering 46,400 km per hour, and this speed is 14 times faster than a bullet. 441987 was discovered on July 10, 2010 by the Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer spacecraft. This is the third incident of an asteroid passing in June. The first asteroid passed through the Earth on 6 June, which was 570 meters in diameter. It reportedly passed through the Earth at a speed of 40,140 kilometers per hour. The asteroid was named 2002 NN4. NASA says this is a great opportunity to study near-Earth objects. NEOs are comets and asteroids that have been nudged by the gravitational attraction of nearby planets into orbits that allow them to enter the Earth's neighborhood. The scientific interest in comets and asteroids is due largely to their status as a relatively unchanged remnant debris from the solar system formation process some 4.6 billion years ago. Being a NEO, the asteroid will allow the space agency to study the history of our solar system. A near-Earth object is any small solar system body whose orbit brings its proximity with Earth. As they orbit the Sun, near-Earth objects occasionally make a close approach to the Earth. Every month, dozens of NEOs come within 46,47,790 miles of the Earth. NEOs are not necessarily near the Earth, but can potentially approach the Earth relatively closely. However, this asteroid poses no threat to Earth. NASA also classified it as a potentially hazardous asteroids. Potentially hazardous asteroids are currently defined based on parameters that measure the asteroid's potential to make threatening close approaches to the Earth. Specifically, all asteroids with a minimum orbit intersection distance of 0.05 AU or less are considered PHAs. NASA says chances of this asteroid hitting the Earth is very small. NASA believes there is 1 in 3 lakh chance every year that a space rock could cause regional damage. However, there are some plans on the go which could help Earth against potential asteroid strikes. NASA is currently studying asteroid Bennu, where its OSIRIS-REx spacecraft arrived in 2018. NASA fears the asteroid, which has the potential to wipe out a country on Earth, could hit our planet within the next 120 years. The mission will give vital information on how to deflect asteroids from their collision course with Earth. NASA reiterates while there is a small chance Earth could be impacted, Bennu is mostly likely to hit Venus.